This is Sika PostFix Expanding Foam, and in this video I'll show you how to use it. Step 1. Before using this stuff, make sure you wear safety glasses and some gloves. So I'm doing this for the first time. Seems pretty straightforward. Roll it up, mix it for 15 seconds, cut it, pour it, wait for 3 to 5 minutes, and then cut off the axis and you're all set. So let's try it. I placed it on the flat ground. Then I started rolling it up from the bottom until I broke the seal in the middle that separates the two liquids. Then, as soon as the seal broke, I started counting to about 15 seconds. I also gave it a nice shake, not sure if it needed, but it wouldn't hurt. Then I took a knife after 15 seconds, cut the bag, and started to pour it all into my hole where the post is. It didn't take long for it to start reacting, and you start to see the foam coming out of the hole. Make sure you do not touch this while it's doing this, especially with your bare hands, as this is a chemical reaction and it is hot. As you can see, a lot of foam came out over the top, but that's okay because after it's dry, you can remove it. Feels very bubbly and actually really warm, probably because it's a chemical reaction, but looks pretty cool. See how sturdy it is after 3 to 5 minutes. After it was dry, it feels pretty sturdy and pretty hard. Next, I removed my small planks. Then I started to cut up the foam into 3 sections. I recommend using a machete instead of this tiny knife that I was using. Then I tried to break off a small section at a time and continued to clean up the post. Then I pressed the dirt with my foot, and this is what I got after it was all said and done. Not too bad. Check out this next video where I show you an easy trick how to take this post out.